Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we sift through the clutter to help you make your next purchase a breeze. Today, we're diving deep into the steamy world of steam mops. That's right, folks, it's about to get steamy in here. Starting with the price, the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 comes in at $175, while the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is a budget-friendly option at just $74. Reviewers have praised the Dirt Devil for being a great value for home cleaning, highlighting its effectiveness for sealed hard floors and ease of use. On the other hand, some users of the BISSELL have noted that while it's pricier, it's worth the investment for its versatility and cleaning power. When it comes to cleaning power, the BISSELL claims to use powerful, high-temperature steam that effectively tackles tough stains and dirt, with many reviewers backing this up. One user mentioned it was great for removing paint and grease. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil uses just heat and water, which some reviewers found effective for basic cleaning, but not as powerful for tough messes. One user even mentioned that it makes mopping quicker, but it's best suited for light cleaning tasks. Next, let's discuss versatility. The BISSELL is a 3-in-1 machine, serving as an upright cleaner, extended reach cleaner, and handheld cleaner, making it incredibly versatile. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness in various cleaning scenarios, although some found it heavy. In contrast, the Dirt Devil features a 180-degree swivel head, allowing for easy maneuverability, but it lacks the additional functionalities that the BISSELL offers. Users appreciate its simplicity, but acknowledge it may not reach every corner as effectively as the BISSELL. Now let's talk sanitization. The BISSELL claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria with its chemical-free steam, which many reviewers tout as a fantastic feature for a cleaner home. On the flip side, the Dirt Devil is safe for sealed hard floors, but doesn't specifically claim to sanitize like the BISSELL does. Users have reported satisfaction with its cleaning ability, but might not rely on it for deep sanitization, focusing more on surface cleaning instead. Overall, the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 is highly regarded for its powerful cleaning capabilities and versatility, making it suitable for tough jobs, while the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is favored for its affordability and ease of use for lighter cleaning tasks. So which steam mop is the winner? If you're looking for serious cleaning power and versatility, the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty might be your go-to. But if you're on a budget and just need something to tackle those basic messes, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop could do the trick. Remember, it's not just about which one is better, it's about what fits your needs. Hit that like button if you found this comparison helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart buying tips. Leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.